What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Ashimary hair. This is one of my favorite companies. I'm not going to front. I haven't worked with them in a long time, but they always sent me some bomb hair, y'all. I was sent a pre-cut lace curly closure, y'all. When I tell y'all this hair, y'all going to see it in the beginning. Well, after this. This hair was so pretty coming out of the packaging. I already knew the curls was going to be so freaking soft, y'all, and I like this soft look that it's given. You know, with some curly hair, it gives a soft look, but it also gives like dry and matted. This hair is so soft, y'all. Oh my god, I love it. I ain't gonna hold y'all, I wasn't expecting this with their curly hair. This hair, and it's so lightweight. It's weird. Like, you know, some curly hair will make your head feel mad hot. This is so lightweight, y'all. And like I said, this is a pre-cut lace. I literally installed this wig under 10 minutes. I would say under 5 minutes, because literally all you have to do is throw it on your head and lay down the top. Because with curly hair, you don't gotta do much. Like, you could just spray the top with water or just leave it as is, but the top was a little frizzy for me, like one of my hands, because I was surprised at how soft it was. But y'all, this hair is fire. I didn't have to do no type of plucking, y'all. Look at this lace. Okay, lace is given, plucking is given. They stepped it up. I don't know who's teaching these hair companies how to pluck, but honey, they are plucking the heck out of these wigs, and it's giving natural. Like, they're making these wigs so beginner friendly, it's not even funny. Like, literally all you have to do is throw on this wig, lay it on the top if you want to. If not, I know some people like the volume look at the top, but I don't. I feel like it makes it look a little wiggy, so I go ahead and do the hot comb. But that literally only takes like 1 to 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, y'all, because all you're doing is boop and that's it, because you're just doing the top. And then I was sent this bomb robe, y'all. I don't know, if you know me, I have a couple robes. Like, I'm a robe freak. Like, I love robes. This is a color I've never ever had in a robe, and y'all, this I had to wear in the video because this robe is so freaking pretty, it's not even funny. But y'all, if you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the link is going to be down below. I highly recommend this wig. It is soft, beginner friendly, no lace, no glue, none of that, not even holding spray, y'all. It comes with an adjustable band inside. It actually comes with two. The one that's already made with the wig, and then the new one they have in the wigs now, which I love. This wig is so snug on my head, y'all. If I get in a fight, it's not going nowhere. It's not going on, because I know girls like to pull hair. It's not going nowhere, y'all. When I tell you this wig is on, honey, baby, it's on. And I believe I got 24 inches, 22 or 24 inches. But y'all, it's giving 30. It's giving 30. Do y'all see how natural this wig look? Oh my god, I cannot wait to take some pictures with this wig, y'all. Well, like I said, if you guys are interested in this same exact wig, the link is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.